Hi guys, back again with another video. Now in this video we're going to do the real life microphone sound test of the Jabra Elite 85T. So we're going to test it in different scenarios and see how good the microphone sound quality is going to be. So let's start the test and then talk more about it. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding a bike without a helmet. And this scenario wind is running 80 meters nearby. Now, in Java, however, the one and the main one is the right one. So this is what is responsible for everything. The left one, if you use it, don't use it, everything is fine. The mic sound is coming from here. So hopefully my sound is actually okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're riding the bike with a helmet on, but with a control. So it's a different face helmet. Now, in this scenario, wind should not be a big problem. Background sound should not be that much because everything is covered. So hopefully my sound is not coming up. Now in this scenario, the helmet is closed, so there will be some echo created. Wind and background sound may not be a big issue, but hopefully you can hear me well. Okay, so this is the kind of sound that you're going to get when you're near water. So there are 70 water fountains here which are giving out a lot of water sound. Hopefully my sound is audible enough and the water sound is not too overpowering. So we're doing the traffic sound test now. So I'm outside, I'm in Nora Mall right now. So I'm in Nora and Mall. So a lot of traffic here evening time. So hopefully my sound is audible. Because this is the kind of sound that you're gonna get when you have a lot of people around. So I'm in the food mall, I'm in Seasons Mall right now, evening time, actually night time. A lot of people around me, a lot of sounds from the machines around, the people, the children, the TV, everything. So hopefully my sound is audible. Okay, so you guys have seen the video. Now let's talk about what to expect from this. So this is actually a good earphone for people who want to listen to music, want to watch movies, want to do all those things. For your listening purpose, this is a very good earphone. You do get options of noise cancellation with 6 mics, so 3 mics on one and 3 mics on the other one, and together they actually bring down the background sound for you. So when you are actually in a flight or you're commuting somewhere, or if you're in a background, if you're in a place where there's a lot of background sound, this is a good earphone to bring that sound down. And in case you're traveling and you want the background sound to come in, it has option of pass through and all, and you can actually create your own profiles, equalizer, everything. So all those advanced features are there. And when you go into settings, there are even more options. So all those options are just for music listening and for canceling out the background sound for you. But none of them are for phone calls. So when you are actually making a phone call, the mic only has options of maybe making it a little bassy, or maybe bringing up the bass a little or the treble a little. So that option is there on the software. You can change that. But even if you change that, the microphone sound is not that great. Not because of the primary mic, it's because of the no noise cancellation in this. So the noise cancellation is only for you. It's not for phone calls. The other person will be able to hear everything. And even after so many generations of the Elite, now, I mean, there were Elite 65, 75, 85, and there's now Elite 3, 2, 4, no, 2, 4, 2, 4, 7, 7 Pro, and all those models. So all of them are similar. They all have one common thing, which is the right one is the one which actually connects to the phone. So it's actually a monopod which connects to the phone, and with the right one, the left one connects. So in case you want to use them individually, like I want to use this one for 4 hours, keep it back, then use this one for 4 hours, keep it back, that you cannot do with any of the Jabra Elite series. So I've tested a lot of them, and I was surprised to know that even the other newer versions, they also have the same thing. So I don't know why is this done. Why they're not focusing on phone calls. For them, it is just your personal music, not phone calls. So if anyone asks me if I would recommend this for phone calls, I will not. The entire sound in this video was from this mic. So right now I'm in the room with the fan on. So this is how it sounds. So this is where the sound is coming from. So I really did not like it. If you have any further queries about this, if you want me to change some settings and check, I've already done that. But if you want to know more about it, go ahead, contact me. My information is available in the description and at the end of the video. And if you want to see the same video in Hindi or English, Hindi or Malayalam, I have two other channels. I'll be putting the link for that in the description too. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, please subscribe with the like button and do comment, and I'll see you again with another video. Bye bye.